Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are discussing about the currency departments and the World Bank department. Basically, in this, basically we told that basically if you are creating any departments, basically then basically that department energy 100% basically gets into the environment basically, because nuclear power company basically by default they creates the energy basically, that this is the currency energy, this is the country energy, this is the state energy, this is the city energy. They by default create it basically, because they have to handle each and everything basically. So here basically the city is equal to nowadays created as a vegetable energy. Cities are basically created as a fruits energy. Then basically they are created to the physical fruits, basically physical vegetables. So that is basically different thing. So here basically we were discussing that currency energy basically has to take currency basically energy has to be created by the nuclear power company, and nuclear power company only basically can create this. Normal power company and energy company basically can't create this basically, because they don't have authority only basically. So authority only nuclear power company can create the currency energy basically, and currency energy contains um, must contain basically all the human needs basically which are not going to do any disaster of the which basically will not do any type of natural disaster basically. So according to that basically you have to take the all the human needs basically. So like this basically you have to take all the human needs energy into that currency energy, and then basically the currency energy is prepared, and according to that currency energy basically the you have to prepare 22 human basically, that is 22 human equal to you can say 22 blood groups basically. That data basically you have to prepare, and then basically you have to do the process basically. And for that basically you have to create the environment, because create the environment basically it might possible that this might generate to some other disease only basically, which World Bank basically never basically might have saw also basically. So for that basically the nuclear power company basically have to create the set of environment also basically, and this is basically must basically, this type of energy basically is must basically. So like this basically the currency department basically handles the World Bank, and World Bank handles the currency department. That also basically you can say, and World Bank basically is telling that basically we basically handles all the banks basically, and banks basically gets the products, and products basically are equal to city creations and the city modification also you can say, city maintenance also basically you can say. For example, Vadodara city got created. So city basically when it was created, the World Bank has allocated certain level of money that time basically. But the city basically it's not basically same city basically, every time basically it gets change also basically. So World Bank told that basically we will allocate some money to the Vadodara city for the maintenance purpose. So they basically allocated some money to the maintenance purpose. So like this basically the chain gets created basically of the creation and the maintenance purpose basically. So same way basically the product basically gets creates, products equal to basically the set of city creation and the city maintenance, and the products basically contains, everybody knows that 5 crore people basically, that basically is product for the bank basically, that is basically human basically, but that is product for the bank basically. The World Bank says that we have created this product, and this product basically containing this much data, and this is going to generate 30 crore or 30 to 40 crore amount, 30 to 40 lakh crore amount, and this is going to be used for this 5 crore people basically. So this 5 crore people has allocated this much money, and this money basically is generated on the base of this product, and this product is basically placed in these all banks basically, and this banks basically has told that basically this is the product basically which is we are creating for this particular human clone basically, which is going to come basically, which has not came yet basically, which is going to come basically in the earth planet. So according to that basically you have to prepare the entire environment, you have to pick each and every people basically who are connected with the energies, and then basically to the bloods, and then basically to the each and every human needs. According to that basically you have to grow. So according to that basically one example basically we have already taken that 1 lakh basically child is which is going to come basically, which has not came yet basically. For that basically the preparation basically starts basically, that this 1 lakh human souls basically gets merged with the 1 lakh human souls data basically gets merged with the each and every people basically in the Vadodara city. So whatever human needs basically they eat basically, or basically they takes, that basically contains the that basically contains that basically 1 lakh human souls data, 1 lakh child is basically souls data also basically. So it's not so easy basically. Lots of people say that basically we are basically into the factory creation, we are basically producing bread, we are producing bun, we are producing this that basically. So basically that should contain basically the data basically. Then basically the each and every human needs basically which is getting produced in the Vadodara city, that also should contain the 1 lakh human souls data. That is basically the 1 lakh child data basically. That is basically the nuclear power company 100%. So basically here basically the power company and basically the human need creation company and uh, the factories basically they don't have to worry basically, because nuclear power company do everything basically. They know basically that 1 lakh child is going to come to Vadodara city and they are going to take birth basically. So according to that only basically each and every preparation basically they do basically. So here basically, but they should know basically that the food basically, if, the each and every human needs which is coming basically, that is connected like this basically. So each and every malls basically they should basically know that basically this basically is connected like this. So here basically that is different thing basically, but that everything basically handled by the nuclear power company. So nuclear power company basically say that basically we are basically handling each and everything. So that basically also contain the currency energy basically. That also basically contains the currency energy also. So nuclear power companies say that basically we have each and every energy is basically which is created by the, which is basically created as a physical object basically. For example, human souls basically one energy for nuclear power company, which type of human souls basically are created, which type of human are basically created, that data basically we have. For example, Apple energy, so which type of Apple basically is created, that data basically we have basically. Which type of orange basically is created, that data basically we have basically. So like this basically they say that basically each and every data basically we have it. So like this each and every currency basically energy which is going to create, that data also by default they are only going to prepare, and according to the all the existing energy which basically exist, according to that basically, according to that environment basically, the currency energy basically gets creates. And basically this basically have to create basically. If basically the natural disaster and basically in future it might possible that lots of energy basically converts into the universe also basically, that time basically universe basically will get problem. So like this basically it might possible that universe basically might get in some trouble. So basically that mostly basically this doesn't happen basically, but then also basically might possible basically. So like this basically it will that basically everything basically like this currency energy and World Bank energy basically has to prepare basically. So now basically the another point is basically which all currencies basically handles which all currencies basically. So basically you can say the it's a dependency basically, which all basically currency handles which all currency basically. So that also basically directly connects with the human needs, the old barter system basically. Old barter system is there basically, that is also connecting to this only basically. So in next video basically mostly we are going to see that the dependency of the currencies basically, and this basically connects with the economist basically you can say the World Forum economist, and basically connects with the World Bank also directly basically. So in next video is basically we are going to see the how basically the currencies basically are connected with each other, and how basically the dependencies of the currencies basically are there basically. For example, some currencies basically gets low, some currencies basically gets high basically. So what basically that basically the normal economic formula basically, that basically is defined. For example, if you want to do low the rate of the India and dollar currency, then basically you have to do this the whole step basically. For that few books also are created basically. So that is basically different thing. In next video we are going to see this only basically, that is the currency dependencies.